All right, so ready to dive into this whole U.S. green card thing, specifically for all you PhDs and researchers out there.
It's a jungle out there.
This deep dive, we're going to unpack one person's journey, and it's wild. Like, you think you know how immigration works, but this story, it'll make you hit rewind.
Yeah, talk about a crash course in national interest.
Okay, so picture this.
Yeah.
You stumble on this website, right? The founder's trying to untangle this whole green card maze. And they have this friend who went the whole lawyer route. $4,000 just for a consult.
Oh, yeah. The hidden costs of immigration.
The works. So our founder, they're thinking strategically, right? Reaches out to an immigration lawyer, sends over their CV, PhD, groundbreaking research, all that jazz.
Setting the stage.
Right. Thinking, okay, this is it. This is my golden ticket.
But then, curveball.
3 minutes. That's all it took. 3 minutes on the phone. And the lawyer's basically like, don't waste your time. Your work's not important enough for a self-petition. Go find an employer to sponsor you.
Can you believe that?
It's like, wait, what? This person's brilliant, wants to contribute, and the system's like, nah, you're not special.
The lawyer missed the forest for the trees, Totally missed the potential. But gotta love those plot twists, right?
Oh, this story's got him. But before we get to the good stuff, gotta talk about this PhD catch-22.
Oh, yeah, the chicken or the egg of green cards.
So the founder, they were doing this super niche research.
Yeah.
Femtosecond optics, lasers. I mean, come on, that's cool.
Next level stuff.
And a lot of these jobs, especially the cutting edge ones, they require a green card up front.
It's like this weird barrier to entry.
It's like you could be a laser whiz with a PhD, but you can't even use those skills because of red tape.
Exactly. And especially with anything government funded or those ITAR regulations, the whole international traffic in arms thing, forget it.
So you're stuck. Need the green card for the job, need the job for the green card.
A bureaucratic masterpiece.
It's enough to make you want to give up. But not our founder. Nope, they had this secret weapon.
Let me guess. The internet.
Bingo. But just when things were looking up, bam, visa bulletin drops.
The immigration lottery nobody wants to win.
And the visa bulletin is basically like, surprise, retrogression time.
Yeah, it's like taking one step forward, 2 steps back. Frustrating.
So what happened? Did our founder just say, well, that's that?
Oh, absolutely not. They were like, game on. But they had 15 days, just 15 days to get their application in before the door slammed shut.
Okay, now those lawyer fees are looking tempting.
Right, like, someone please take the wheel. But not our hero. 12 days, nose to the grindstone, gathering proof, letters of recommendation, wrestling with paperwork, and working full-time on top of it all.
Talk about dedication. Okay, but this lawyer, remember, not important enough. What changed? When did they think, hold on, I got this?
This is where things get good. Remember that whole not nationally important thing? The pressure's on, the clock's ticking, and boom, epiphany.
Okay, hit me with it. What was the big realization?
They realized it's not just lasers and optics in a vacuum. This research, it could change industries. They just had to connect the dots.
Like translate it for the rest of us.
Exactly. They showed how their work could mean big scientific leaps, give the U.S. an edge globally. Genius, really.
It's not what you know, it's how you explain it. Right.
Exactly. And that changed everything. Ditched the lawyer, went full DIY, submitted that Ep000 NIW petition.
Bold move. So they hit submit and then waiting game.
Oh, yeah. But remember that 3-minute phone call? 21 days, that's all it took. Email arrives. Changes everything.
Don't leave me hanging. What did it say?
A 140 petition approved.
Get out of here.
Seriously, proof that betting on yourself sometimes, it pays off big time.
Huge. But wait, they still needed the actual green card, right?
Yeah.
The real deal.
Right. And here's the thing. They could apply for jobs, but those ITAR ones still needed that card.
So what then? Just twiddle their thumbs.
Yeah, remember, long game. They'd also applied for the EB1A back in 2007. Extraordinary ability, the whole shebang.
Oh, right. 2 irons in the fire.
Exactly, not taking any chances. And guess what? Waiting for the EB2 NIW green card, and bam, September 2007, I-485 approved, permanent resident through the EB1A.
2 for 2. No lawyers, just pure hustle. That's movie material right there. But here's what I love. It doesn't stop there.
Oh, no, this is where it gets really interesting. From personal win to something much, much bigger.
Tell me everything. How'd this change things for others? So they just crushed it, right? What'd they do next?
Our founder, total rock star. They thought, why stop there? Between 2006 and 2007, they helped 6, count them, 6 friends do the same thing.
No way, like a green card fairy godmother.
They shared everything. And get this, all 6 friends, 140 petitions approved.
That's insane. What was the secret sauce?
Two big things. One, you know your chances best. Don't let anyone, even a fancy lawyer, tell you what you can't do.
Love that. Own your worth.
Right. And two, most PhDs, they probably qualify for these visas.
Seriously, I feel like there's this myth it's only for, like, Nobel Prize people.
Exactly. But it's about making the connection. Your
Yeah.
work, it matters. Even if it seems small, it fits into the bigger picture.
It's like shifting your perspective, right?
Totally. And that's what they teach on their website.
Ah, the website. It all comes back around.
It's all there. Resources, tips, success stories, proof you can do it yourself.
If all these PhDs are national interest, makes you think, huh, what does that even mean? How do we value talent no matter where it comes from?
Big questions. Maybe it's time to shake things up a bit.
Right. So if you're ready to DIY your own green card journey, check out the website. Links in the show notes.
Thank you for listening to a podcast by greencardselfpetition.com. Visit greencardselfpetition.com for do-it-yourself packets. We aim to provide the collective experience of numerous applicants who have successfully self-petitioned for their green cards without employer sponsorship, in either the Ep000, Extraordinary Ability, or Ep000, NIW National Interest Waiver categories. Our DIY packets are designed to assist you in your self-petition journey.